Quick and hearty Cajun bowls. We've got our andouille sausage, our squash, zucchini, onions, some shallots, and bell peppers. We're about to get cooking. Hey, Ralph Man's Adventures. It's dark out, as you can see, but we are about to get to cooking. We're doing our Cajun hearty healthy bowl, and we've got the Blackstone fired up. We're about to get cooking. We'll be using the Blackstone Bayou blend this evening, and it is only 5:25, but it is dark. Let a little of the oil cook off. Now there is a plate of food, and all of this is going to just go down together. We're going to mix it up and season it, so this will be quick. Here we go. Listen to that sizzle. Had a little water in the vegetables, but that's all right. We're just going to mix this up. It's about 60 degrees tonight, so this is going to be a good, hot, hearty meal. Let's just hit it with a little Bayou blend from Blackstone. And we'll coat that up good. Give this a couple of shakes. Get it all mixed up real well. Again, we got onions, we got shallots, we've got all from our garden. We've got bell peppers, we've got squash, we've got zucchini. And we're just going to let this cook down a little bit. Make sure we get the andouille sausage, which did not come from the garden. Kind of hard to do that. If you can grow andouille sausage, let me know how. But we're going to let this cook down, and then we'll be ready to plate it up. It's looking good. We're almost there. Looking good. Let's put it in a bowl. That looks pretty good. Well, we blessed the food. Now it's time to give it a try.
It's pretty salty. But good.
Got a little kick to it. As Susan said, it is a little salty. I guess that's from the Bayou blend. I didn't add any salt, but onions still have a little crisp to them. The other vegetables are right tasty and nothing like andouille sausage. So great meal for a cool evening. And till next time, give us a like, thumbs up. Let me know what you do different, what you like or don't like. That's fine with me. Until then, God bless.